Have you ever wondered what it means to dream about birds? Here will you teach you all the meanings a bird dream can bring. If you have dreams about birds, you're in the right place to resolve your doubt. Birds are mostly delicate, elegant and very beautiful animals. Birds are often directly linked to freedom. This is because they are able to fly through the heavens without restrictions, the dream of many people. In the dream world, the interpretation of dreams with birds has a strong semantic link, since dreams with can sometimes be varied. You can find yourself flying with a bird, or running away from a bird that caused you great fear. The ordinary projection of your subconscious can be as complex as our inmost thoughts are. If you have been to a zoo recently or you've seen a lot of birds in a documentary, surely your dream doesn't mean something that deep. This may be due to a projection of what have you been through recently. On the other hand, when you dream of birds, for no reason, sleep is something deep and surely has a good meaning for you. In this kind of dream, we have to remember that birds were, how many they were. It is not the same to dream of pigeons as with a bird in prey. The behavior that birds have in dream or the size also influences. It can be a giant hummingbird that terrifies you or just a madman who chases you, and it could be